Hi friends, now we are solving a problem on double integrals. The given problem is evaluate integral 0 to infinite e to the power of minus of x square plus y square dx dy. Friends, you see the integrand is here, e to the power of minus of x square plus y square is there. So generally, and moreover the limits of integral also here independent. So you can do in the Cartesian coordinate plane. But sometimes it is better to change the variables also. By changing the variables we can do very easily. So now this problem I am solving by changing into polar coordinates. So in the polar coordinates what we have to take means we have to consider x is equal to r cos theta comma y is equal to r sin theta and dx dy is equal to Jacobian of dr d theta. What is the Jacobian? Jacobian is a change of order. Jacobian is a transformation from one variable to another variable. Here you see we have the variables x comma y and we are changing into r comma theta. It gives the Jacobian, that is you see x with respect to r, y with respect to r, x with respect to theta, y with respect to theta. In this case you will have x is nothing, x r is nothing but dou x by dou r, y r is dou y by dou r, x theta is dou x by dou theta, y theta is here dou y by dou theta. X with respect to r you differentiate, then what you will have? Cos theta. Next x y with respect to r if you done, then sin theta. Next x with respect to theta if you are done, then you will have r into cos theta derivative is what? Minus sin theta. Next y r is nothing but y theta, r is a constant, sin theta derivative is cos theta. Then if you simplify this determinant, then we will have cos theta into cos theta, r cos square theta minus of minus plus r sin into sin is sin square theta. So what you can take common? R. Then you will have cos square theta plus sin square theta, that is 1. Therefore what you can say? Jacobian is here 1. Therefore dx dy will be r into dr into d theta. Next moreover limits also we need to change from x comma y to r comma theta. So from x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta, we can write x square plus y square is equal to what? R square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta is nothing but r square. So from this also we can get the limits directly. X square plus y square is equal to r square we have. What are the x lower limit comma lower limits? We have x and y 0. If you are substituted x and y 0, x y 0, then you will have 0 square plus 0 square is 0. So r is equal to 0. Next you have x infinite, y infinite. In this case infinite square plus infinite square is nothing but r square is infinite, then r is infinite. Of course you can do in another method. If you are drawn the xy coordinates, now x is from 0 to infinite, x is from 0 to infinite, y is also from 0 to infinite. So both are here positive. So this will be in the first quadrant plane only, first quadrant only, occupies in the region is occupied in the first octant. In this case you see how you will get the r value is nothing but draw a line like y is equal to x line. Y is equal to x line is nothing but a pole. Y is equal to x line we will call a pole in this case. Now where it is touches? At the r, the region is touches at r is equal to 0. Generally region is touches at 0. So r is 0. Next where it is touches? At the infinite point only. So you can say r lower limit is 0 and upper limit is infinite. Next we require theta values. So you see angle in the first quadrant, what you can say? 0 to pi by 2, 90 degrees now. So 0 to pi by 2. Theta is from 0 to pi by 2 and r is from 0 to infinite. In this case theta is what you can say directly? 0 to pi by 2. Is it clear for everyone? Now in this case we have r value, theta value, x square plus y square value, everything. So I am substituting in the given problem, that is 0 to infinite, 0 to infinite e to the power of minus of x square plus y square into dx dy. Right. Now changing into, and moreover here is there anything? Right. This is the given problem. Now change of the variables is nothing but r is from 0 to infinite. Next theta is from 0 to pi by 2. E to the power of minus of x square plus y square is nothing but what? R square. Dx dy is what we have? R dr d theta. So r dr d theta. Friends, here you observe the integrand is in terms of r alone, and moreover the limits of r is 0 to infinite and the theta limits are 0 to pi by 2. In this case both the limits are what here? Independent. So you can do integration irrespective of order. Right. Now you see first I can integrate with respect to theta. Now integral 0 to infinite e to the power of minus r square into r into dr. Next, integral 0 to pi by 2, you have 1. This coefficient of integrand is 1. So you can say 1 integration with respect to theta is theta. Now limits from 0 to pi by 2. Now you will have pi by 2 minus 0 is pi by 2. So I am writing pi by 2 is outside. Integral from 0 to infinite e to the power of minus r square r dr only. Now we have to evaluate only single integral in this case. So friends, you see here you can you can put r square is equal to some other variable t. By change of the variable you can do single variable only, or else you can do another formula. Another formula is here, you see you have e to the power of f of x, integral of e power f of x into f dash of x dx if you have, then directly you can write here e to the power of f of x only, and the limits are okay. You see what is integral of f of x actually? What is the derivative of f? Sorry, derivative of f of x is nothing but what actually? Derivative of e power f of x is e power f of x into f dash of x. So nothing but this, you can write a integral of derivative of e power f of x. Yes or no? So d and derivative and integration getting cancelled, then you will have only e power f of x. That is I have written. Then what is e power minus, what you have e to the power of minus r square. What is the minus r square derivative? Minus 2r. Is there here? No. So what you have to do here? Multiply and divide with minus 2 in this case. Then you will have pi by minus 4 integral from 0 to infinite e to the power of minus r square into minus 2r into dr. You see I am multiplied with minus 2 and divided with minus 2. That is why minus 2 times of 2 is nothing but minus 4 I have written. Now this is, you can write derivative of e to the power of minus r square into directly this one only. So this integration and the differentiation getting cancelled, then you will have e to the power of minus r square. The lower limit is 0, upper limit is infinite. Now minus pi by 4 is minus pi by 4. If you are substituted upper limit e power minus infinite, minus lower limit is e power minus 0. So minus pi by 4 times of e power infinite is infinite, but e to the power of minus infinite you can write 1 by e power infinite. So 1 by infinite is nothing but 0, minus e power minus 0 is e power 0. So e power 0 is nothing but 1. So finally inside you have minus 1, outside you have a minus pi by 4, and so you will get the answer is pi by 4. Friends, the value of integral 0 to infinite e to the power of minus of x square plus y square dx dy is pi by 4. Same problem I have done in another method. Another method means just only I have changed the variable here. In method 2, one moment, you see here e power minus r square is there, na? So let e power minus r square as a t. Then we are changing r is in terms of t. So you have to change r value from r is from, sorry, we are changing the value from r to t. So we have to change dr also in terms of dt, and limits also we have to change. Just I have done, you see already this problem I explained in another video. Just for you I am showing r square is equal to t, then r is equal to root t, then dr is equal to 1 by 2 root t dt. Now you substitute t value also you require. Whenever r is 0, t is also 0. Whenever r is infinite, t is also infinite. Now these values you substitute in the integration, then you will have integral 0 to pi by 2 is integral 0 to pi by 2. Theta limits, t limits from 0 to infinite, e power minus, this is minus t, and you have this value is root t, and dr is equal to 1 by 2 root t. So in the numerator root t and denominator root t is getting cancelled. Then you will have 1 by 2 times of integral 0 to pi by 2 e to the power of 0 to infinite e power minus t dt and d theta. So first we have to integrate with respect to what? T. Okay, I have done integration with respect to t first. Then you will have e power minus t by denominator minus t derivative is minus 1. Limits are 0 to infinite. If you are substituted upper limit, then e power minus infinite, lower limit is e power 0, minus 0 only. So what is e power infinite? E power infinite is infinite. E power minus infinite is 1 by e power infinite is nothing but 0, and this value is 1. That is, you have minus 1, so minus inside and outside minus 1 by 2 is there. Therefore you will have 1 only. 1 integration with respect to theta is d theta is here, you will get theta limits from 0 to pi by 2. So upper limit is pi by 2 minus lower limit is 0. So pi by 2 times of 1 by 2 is pi by 4. So both the methods you will have a pi by 4 or not. Okay. Hence you can say integral 0 to infinite e to the power of minus of x square plus y square dx dy is equal to pi by 4. Right. Friends, you remember similar problems, may they will give like this: integral 0 to a, integral 0 to square root of a square minus y square x square plus y square into dy dx, changing into polar coordinates. Here also we have to substitute x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta, dx dy is equal to r into dr into d theta. And r limits are here. You see here limits from 0 to a. From this, what you can say, this is limit for, it is a function of y. So you can say this is the function of y is nothing but limits of x. So x is equal to square root of a square minus y square. Then squaring on both sides, then you will have a square minus y square. Then x square plus y square is equal to a square. Nothing but r square is equal to a square. So r is what here? A. So r limits are 0 to a only. And this is only plus only they are given. Actually, if you are given a plus or minus a square minus y square is nothing but it occupies in two quadrants. But here only plus only, 0 to plus only they give. So in this case angle theta is also from 0 to pi by 2. And dx dy already we have discussed, r dr d theta. Now you integrate this one. So like one more problem also I will give you. You see, evaluate integral 0 to 4a and integral x is equal to y square by 4a. X is equal to y square by 4a to y x square minus y square by x square plus y square dx dy. Like these problems, they will same procedure you have to follow. Thank you for watching this video.